Those with acne-prone skin may see significant improvement in their complexion by incorporating essential oils into their skin care routine. These are the best essential oils for acne. Boast potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, allowing them to not only reduce the size and redness of active breakouts, but also successfully remove acne-causing agents from the pores to prevent future blemishes from forming. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has both antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that are great for fighting acne. This oil kills the bacteria that cause acne breakouts, and it helps to dry pimples so that they vanish. Only use a little of the oil on pimples and add a moisturizer to prevent dry skin. 2. Rosemary oil. Reduce oil production by using rosemary oil on your skin. With its anti-inflammatory properties, it will clear up the redness and puffiness on your skin from breakouts too. If you want clearer skin, this oil can help you. 3. Frankincense oil. If you have sensitive skin, then this is a good essential oil to try. Frankincense is gentle on all types of skin, even very dry skin. It also helps heal any scars that you may have from popping pimples. 4. Oregano oil. If you have a breakout that you want to get rid of, oregano oil is a good spot treatment for acne. Along with a carrier oil, dab it on the spots already showing on your skin. Oregano oil has antiseptic and antibacterial properties to help dry out acne. 5. Peppermint oil. The menthol in peppermint oil is useful for unclogging skin pores. The cause of blackheads is clogged pores that turn brown or black due to oxygen exposure. Peppermint oil also has anti-inflammatory effects so that it can reduce the swelling and inflammation of breakouts. 6. Sandalwood oil. This oil is versatile in that it has anti-inflammation, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that help get rid of acne. It can also prevent acne from progressing to pustules, which are acne bumps with pus in the center, or papules, which are red bumps. 7. Lemongrass oil. This essential oil, lemongrass, is good for getting rid of pimples even if your skin is oily. It has antimicrobial properties and helps with clogged pores. Lemongrass can feel hot on the skin, so it is crucial to use a carrier oil if you're applying it to your skin. Also, ensure that you're diluting it with the proper ratio so that your skin doesn't get burnt or irritated. Essential oils are generally safe to use. But because no two people are alike, you never really know how your skin is going to react to essential oils. Always be cautious about using essential oils on your skin, especially your face. Never use them without a carrier oil, and be cautious if you're allergic to some of these plants or have pollen allergies, as they could trigger allergic reactions. When allergic reactions persist, stop everything immediately. Seek the advice of a dermatologist.